Hey, look at this flyer.
Hmm? What is it about?
It's a singing competition at the school.
Really? That sounds interesting.
Yeah, I just saw it on the notice board near the library.
Oh, I know that board. They always put school events there.
Yes, exactly. I was walking by and this flyer caught my eye.
Oh, wow, this looks fun. When is it?
The audition is next week.
Next week already?
Yeah, on Thursday afternoon.
That's soon. Are you thinking about joining?
Maybe, but I feel a little nervous.
Why? You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you. That's very nice of you to say.
I'm serious. I've heard you sing many times.
Only when we're alone, though.
True, but you still sound great.
Singing in front of people is scary.
I understand. Standing on a stage can feel a little scary.
Yes, I think I would feel very shy.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous at first.
Do you think so?
Of course, even famous singers get nervous sometimes.
Really?
Yes, I saw an interview with a singer from New York, and she said she still feels nervous before shows.
Wow, that makes me feel a little better.
See, you're not the only one.
That's good to know.
What kind of song would you sing?
I'm not sure yet.
Maybe a slow song?
Maybe. I like soft songs.
I remember when you sang that song last month.
Oh, that one?
Yes, it sounded really nice.
Thanks. I practiced that song a lot.
Do they say how the competition works?
Let me check.
What does it say?
First, everyone sings at the audition.
Okay.
Then, the judges choose a few people for the final show.
Oh, that's exciting.
And the final show is in the school auditorium.
That's a big room.
Yes, many students can watch.
That might feel scary.
Exactly. That's what I'm worried about.
But it could also be fun.
You think so?
Yes, imagine everyone clapping for you.
That would feel amazing.
And your friends would come to support you.
That would help a lot.
I would definitely come to watch.
Really?
Of course, I would sit in the front row.
That might make me even more nervous.
No, it will help you feel more comfortable.
Maybe you're right.
Do you have to sign up somewhere?
Yes, it says we need to sign up in the music room.
That sounds easy.
I think the sign-up sheet is on the teacher's desk.
So you just write your name?
Yes, that's what it says.
Then you should do it.
I'm still a little unsure.
That's okay. Take a moment to think.
I really love singing, though.
Exactly. This is a great chance.
I usually only sing at home.
Well, now you can sing on stage.
That sounds exciting.